Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. It's been about 6 months since I created my last video, but today I'm going to be doing a video on this palette here. It is BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette. There are a bunch of very vibrant colors and we're putting a little spin on this. We're gonna have Nicole!
I feel like I've just been birthed. Very nice. Well, thanks for having me again. I ain't going nowhere. So, today, I'm pretty much here because Natasha thinks it's very important that colors should be shown on both skin types, or more than one skin type.
We have the lighter end of the spectrum, and then the medium, darker end of the spectrum.
So we got the yin and we got the yang, the Tash yin and the Nick yang.
I love Tash yin, that's so good. Yeah, we'll just get right into it.
Just hop right in.
We're gonna start off with this pink over here. It's a very vibrant neon pink. So I'm gonna apply it to my eyes, and then I'm also gonna apply it to Nicole's eyes. And we'll see how it performs on the two different skin tones.
Wish me luck.
Alright, so we went in with this color, and is it on my skin? I feel like this color is pretty good on you, on a medium skin tone. We also applied concealer under. We used the NYX HD concealer to prime our eyelids, and then we applied it with a packing brush, and then we also used a blending brush. So just two brushes, one color. So we're gonna go in with this red now, and this is what it looks like on our eyes.
Slay, snatch, fleek, you done know.
You done know. It obviously showed up on me because I'm basically,
The canvas.
yeah, clean white canvas. And it also showed up pretty nice on Nicole's skin tone. Like, it's still pretty vibrant. It's a little deeper,
On you.
but pretty good. We used this orange here, and this is how it turned out on us. Even on me it didn't turn out the greatest, but on Nicole, kinda even worse.
I think it looks like cheddar cheese.
We used this mustardy looking yellow, and we also switched sides. Again, same with the orange. It's not as vibrant as I expected it to be. Especially on Nicole's skin. It's kind of like there, but not at all.
Like, not at all.
Yeah. We went in with this green, lime vibrant neon green, and it actually turned out pretty well on the both of us. I feel like, I don't know, it kind of even looks better on you. Like, it's more vibrant.
It's weird, right? I feel like it's like almost like a neon.
It kind of looks more yellow on me.
Yeah, I see that.
I don't know.
Oh, it actually doesn't bring out your eyes. It actually like drowns it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Because your eyes are like hazily green. This like totally takes away from the greenness. Makes it look more brown.
It's trying to steal the show.
Yeah.
So we use this blue right here.
Here are the results.
It came out like, I don't know. It came out really good on Nicole.
Vibrant as heck.
Pretty vibrant on me as well, but I feel like, I don't know if it's my skin or my moisturizer oil, which I didn't apply right before this, but it's kind of like absorbing the blue and making it fade a bit. I don't know. But we're not talking about the product itself, we're talking about the colors and how it compares on two different skin tones. So. We went in with this purple. It's like a medium purple. And this is how it looks on both of us. It's a bit deeper on my skin tone because I have a whiter canvas. But it turned out pretty nice on Nicole's eye. Pretty good. I like it.
You like it?
I like.
I like. I feel mucho Avril Lavigne circa 2007, 2008.
Earlier. For the last color, we use this color up here. It's more of like a pinky fuchsia purple. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe colors.
Magenta?
Magenta. That
No,
works.
it's more purple than magenta.
And it turned out pretty good on both of us. Yeah. It's pretty pigmented on both of us.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looks similar. We used 8 of the colors in the Take Me to Brazil palette. There's 30 colors in here. But overall, I think most of the colors turned out pretty well on my skin tone and hers as well.
Mm-hmm.
Besides probably the yellow and the orange.
Yeah.
I think those
The
were...
mac and cheese look.
It was just a no-go.
Highly recommend.
It's a pretty good colorful palette and it's very inexpensive. We weren't really looking at the product itself. We were mostly looking at how it performed on the two different skin tones. But overall, for a BH Cosmetics cheaper palette, it performed pretty well. It's really pigmented and
All you
I
eccentric
recommend.
people out there will have a good time.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, see you in my next video.
So there is like many much colors. Just like go like that, go down, and then do it again for up.
Like Morse code.
Is it even focusing?
It's not even focusing. 2 hands.
Illuminati.
There
Oh shit, the Illuminati worked.
Okay, oh, lip gloss.
Oh shit, you're right. You're so right. You're so lifesaver.
That was a lot of lip gloss.
It's not even lip gloss. It's coconut oil. Oh my god. No one saw, no one saw.
Don't know who it was. Wasn't me, called it. So
This is awkward. Twerk it out.
when in doubt, twerk it out.
That is my philosophy 100%.
Mm-hmm.
You know me so well.
Oh yeah. What am I even saying?
We switched sides again.
I know. We're a mess. I don't know.
What's going on?